Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Sonata trunk. There are three primary ways to access your trunk, ensuring you can always get to your cargo. We will cover using the interior release button, the convenient key fob, and the crucial emergency release lever. Understanding these methods will help you open your trunk quickly and efficiently, no matter the situation. First, let's look at the interior trunk release. This button is usually located on the driver's side, often near the dashboard or on the door panel itself. Simply press and hold it for about 2 or 3 seconds. You will hear the trunk unlatch, allowing you to lift it open with ease. This is a common and straightforward method for quick access. Next, the key fob offers a very convenient way to open your trunk remotely. Look for the button with the trunk icon on your key fob. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. You will hear the trunk mechanism engage, and the trunk will pop open slightly. This is especially useful when your hands are full or you are approaching your vehicle. Finally, for safety and in case of an emergency, there is an internal trunk release. This is a small, often glow-in-the-dark lever located on the inside of the trunk lid. It's designed for situations where someone might accidentally become trapped inside. Simply pull this lever firmly, and the trunk will unlatch, providing an escape route. It's an important safety feature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.